We are talking about cold rain across North Texas, some embedded thunderstorms out there for you as well. And it is going to be another messy morning for sure. And we are talking about some heavier rain a little farther south. We've seen some embedded thunderstorms, even some reports of some small hail with some of these storms as well as they work their way up between Ferris and Kaufman right now. So some rumbles of thunder. Don't let that catch you off guard here this morning. The heavier rain, that's going to stay to our east and south. So all rain for most of the Metroplex, all the Metroplex this morning. A little farther west, though, that's where we do have the wintry weather, starting to see that change over. Still more freezing rain out toward Stephenville, Granbury, Mineral Wells, and then it changes over to snow as we head a little farther north and west. And that's the area of concern as far as accumulation is concerned with the snow. You can see that freezing line's a little farther west than it was this time yesterday. So we're looking at those temperatures in Fort Worth above freezing at 33, 35 in Denton, 36 getting out to Dallas right now. But along the line from Decatur out toward Mineral Wells is going to be hovering right around freezing. So we'll have the snows that will start to accumulate, and we're in doing so. Archer City up to Wichita Falls on into Oklahoma, anywhere from 2 to 4 inches plus, especially up into Oklahoma going through the morning hours heading into today. 1 to 2 inches from Graham down toward Breckenridge, and as we get closer to the Metroplex, maybe upwards of an inch. Mineral Wells up toward Denton, and a few flurries later this morning getting into the early afternoon around the Metroplex, but we don't anticipate any accumulation here, but maybe a few pictures that you can take if we do see a few flakes flying around later today. So here's our timecast as we head toward late morning. Going to have still all cold rain across Dallas and Fort Worth, but that freezing line gets a little bit closer with the mix of snow, I think. So a few flakes late morning getting into the early afternoon. Now the good news is as we head toward the latter half of the afternoon, the precip starts to wind down across the area. The exception will be north of I-20 up along the Red River. We'll still have that mix of rain and snow. And then as we head toward midnight, still up along the Red River heading toward 10 p.m. tonight, things start to wind down after midnight though, and we'll finally clear out with the sunny skies returning as we wrap up the week. This morning, though, 36 degrees at Fair Park. It is cold. It is wet. Those temperatures in the upper 30s a little bit later today, and that 10-day forecast does have some sunshine, plenty of it on Friday. And look at those temperatures, upper 60s as we get into Saturday and Sunday. So we are certainly looking forward to that.